Hello, it is I, Oracle Pizza. And I should be uploading better videos soon, but I'm starting to enjoy playing with my tablet, and I've decided to do some like hauls and stuff, like clothing hauls, and stuff I found at the store hauls. And I'm gonna open some stuff today that I found at the dollar store, a Family Dollar haul. And I didn't buy very much this time, but I found some cool stuff that I liked. And I'm just bored, so I'm just gonna do it anyways. Okay. So I've been planning to do like a gay little tea party with my friends. And so I decided to look for some tea party stuff. And this is what I found. And it's so cute. It has a tiny little cup. And then you sip it a little bit at a time, because that's the fancy way. It's like some cream for your tea. Would you like some cream for your royal tea party? Yes. And then I found another one. And it has like little pictures. It has a cherry and like a pie. And like some girl. And it says tea set. And these spoons look like Asian like soup spoons. And the little cup. So cute. I love it. What I'm gonna do with these is that I'm gonna buy an easy bake oven and make a bunch of easy bake oven food, and then go to the park and use my tea party set and take pictures of my gay little tea party and like a video. That's like my dream as a child. When I was a kid, I wanted to do a tea party so bad at the park. And then I found this one. And it's like the Disney princess version. It's more expensive, but it was worth it. And it has a cute little teapot. And like spoons. The spoons are so cute. Oh my god, so cute. And they have Ariel, like her pink dress, which I don't like. Whatever. And this is all the princesses and Belle, so look a lighter pink. And then Rapunzel, the purple one, and then the lighter purple one goes to the frog princess. They are so cute. I'm dying because it's tiny. Tiny. And I didn't see this one. If I saw it, I would have bought it. But I think they put it out for me the other day, because they noticed I bought 2 of these. So like all together, like these are like a really cute. The cutest like little tea party ever. So cute. So cute. Oh my god. Okay. But yeah. The first time I got an easy bake oven, I was 5, and I broke it on the first day. Because I tried to make a cake, and I accidentally did it wrong, and it overflowed inside the oven, and then it stopped working. So my dreams were crushed from a pretty young age with the easy bake oven. But I'm gonna buy another one. I bought these dollies. Discount Barbies. And it says deluxe princess doll set. And I wish it's so pretty on the back. Now I wish this came with the castle. Well, I also would love a Barbie dream house. I plan to purchase a Barbie dream house because I do have a Barbie collection. And I do have a fake Barbie collection. But I also have like just like a bunch of dollies like this that kind of look like Barbies, but they're not Barbies. Because I really like them. I don't care if it's not Barbie. I love all the dollies. Yeah, I like this because I need more black Barbies for my collection. And these girls, like, I know that they didn't buy these Barbies because their faces look kind of like weird. Like, they look like older women Barbies. But the thing is about me, I love weird looking Barbies. I think that it makes them look more realistic and like it's cute because they don't all look the same. And I really like their dresses. I need to buy more clothes for my Barbies because I just started pampering my Barbie collection after doing a deep clean in my room and my house. So yeah, I need more stuff for my Barbie. And I need a Barbie dream house. And I need a lot of dresses like these for my Barbies. Because I want to take care of my Barbies like they are my children. I had an old Barbie collection like years ago. But it got lost. And I couldn't find it. So it made me sad. And I even had a box where you put Barbies inside it. It was like retro. I loved it. But I don't know where it's at. I got lost a long time ago. I wasn't as serious. But now I'm more serious. Yeah. And then I got these dollies. And they're $5. This one was $10. And it comes with 3 of them. And these, I love their faces because they look real. Like they look like real black girls. And they've even got like a cute, like wide kind of nose. And it's just so cute. So I had to go back and get these. Are 2-pack trendy fashion dolls. And they're going to make my Barbie collection look amazing. I do want to take it out though. I'm going to destroy this box. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, the twins! Again, the twins. And they've got long hair. Damn. These are bad bitches. You'll be like, They twerk. Twerk. Twerk, twerk, twerk. I love my dollies. I love my new dollies. And they got pink shoes, pink dolly shoes. More shoes. I love the Barbies so much because I feel like deep down inside, like they're alive, like on the inside. And I feel like they deserve, like they have feelings and they want, I feel like they want clothes, they want a home. They want to be treated special, just like Barbie. And so, okay. And I don't know how to get this down. I'm gonna try. Okay. Okay. Oh, bug. Her shoe came off. Oh. Okay. Okay, we got a little Jasmine right here. I see you, Jasmine. I love her outfit. Cutest Jasmine outfit. Okay. This pink dress though. Oh my god. The cutest pink sparkly dress ever. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, Slay Queen. Come on. Okay. We got a little Snow White right here. There she is. Oh, she is so beautiful. She likes skin. Real cute. Okay. Let's see who next. And these look like triplets. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So, we got a little Rapunzel right here. But her hair is up in like a bun. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the curls. She looks like a Victorian like princess. It's so pretty. I never seen a Barbie with like cute little sideburns like that. It's so pretty. And I like these dolls because they look, you can see the cheeks. They have like deep lines and it makes them look like they're older Barbies, and that's why I really enjoyed them. It's really cute. And it comes with Barbie accessories, some dolly accessories. Cute little purses. So, when I get a Barbie dream house, I'm going to need 2 of them. Or maybe they're going to have to share. Or, I don't know. It depends how much clothes I end up collecting from the Barbies. And the dollies. Okay. Let's see. I got... Yeah.